Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex. Welcome to my gym. And today I'm gonna show you this 47-inch curl bar that this brand sent to me for the video. This one is fantastic, not only because, it represents a few things that I wanna talk about. Number one, 47 inches. Number two, this one holds up to 300 pounds. And the thing about this one is just, if you wanna work out for sure, this is gonna be good. But if you also wanna do some kind of like pre-workout, the weight of this one is already good for that, kind of like for cleaning up the muscles a little bit before working out. And you can do tons of things with this one. You can do press bench, you can do back, you can do biceps, you can do triceps, you can do trapeziums, you can do so many things with this one. But I think it is fantastic just for that and a few other things. So one thing that I want to show you first, it is the grip over here. Take a look at the grip. This is going to be the way that you're going to tell that this one is going to be a nice one for doing biceps for sure, because of the grip right here, which is going to give you the best experience when you're weighting all that weight, or better say lifting all that weight. And then with the 2 inches right here, this is going to be 47 inches total, and this is going to be about like 6 inches, and the 2 inches is going to give you enough to actually use this ones right here. Of course, you can put as many weight as you want, but this one's just gonna do it just for the video purposes, so you can see this one through. And then, of course, like every other good one, it comes with this, so you can actually secure those plates over there. So that is the best way to make sure that nothing bad is gonna happen. Just making sure that you can put each one of this one in each one of the sides, and then making sure that this is not gonna fall. But then, of course, the best thing is gonna be that grip that I told you. You can do open the grip close, and just enjoy that workout with this 47-inch Olympic curl bar. You can see the plates stay on the sides, no worries about that, with this fantastic grip. I think this is the good one. This could be really good for your home gym, like this one, for example, and you can do plenty of exercises. I like it. I do recommend this big boy over here. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.